Do you know what makes a resume stand out? What makes a hiring manager stop and take notice? It's all about the content, structure, and the little details that make a big difference. Imagine a resume as a ticket to an interview, your first step in the door of a potential new job. Crafting an effective resume is an art form, but don't worry, anyone can master it with the right guidance. Start with the foundation, your personal information. This should include your full name, contact details, and professional title. Keep it simple and precise. No need for your life story here, just the essentials. Next comes your work experience. This is the meat and potatoes of your resume. You need to list your previous roles, companies, and the duration of each role. But remember, it's not just about listing jobs. It's about showcasing your achievements, the challenges you've overcome, and the value you've brought to your previous employers. Use action verbs to make your experiences sound dynamic and impressive. Then it's time to talk about your education. List your degrees, the institutions you attended, and the years you were there. If you're a recent graduate, feel free to include your GPA if it's something you're proud of. Now, let's move on to your skills. This is where you can shine. Tailor this section to the job you're applying for. If the job description mentions specific skills, and you have them, this is where they belong. Optional sections can include hobbies, certifications, or languages spoken. These can be the cherry on top of your resume sundae, setting you apart from other applicants and making you a memorable candidate. But what about the little details? They're important too. Tailor your resume for each job application. Use the job description as a guide and mirror the language used. And always proofread your resume. A single typo can be the difference between landing an interview or landing in the reject pile. For those who want a shortcut, consider using templates and online tools. They can provide a professional layout and ensure you're not missing any vital information. So to recap, a standout resume includes your personal information, work experience, education, and skills. Optional sections can add a personal touch. Use action verbs, tailor your resume to each job, and proofread meticulously. Templates and online tools can be a big help too. Remember, your resume is your first impression. Make it count. Happy job hunting.